Hello and welcome to our screencast demonstration of WebView. WebView is a new feature in Fetch 5.2, the latest release of the easy-to-use Macintosh FTP client. In this screencast, we will show how WebView makes it easier to maintain your website and send large files to clients and colleagues. In order to illustrate how WebView works, we will start by using Fetch to connect to our web server, just as Fetch users do every day. Once connected, we see the files that make up our site, a very simple group of pages about snorkeling in the British Virgin Islands. To see our site the way web surfers will, we launch our web browser and type in its address. Both Fetch and Safari are looking at the same collection of files, but the way they view the files is very different. Fetch's new WebView feature brings these two views together, so you can easily flip between maintaining your website in Fetch and viewing your website in your browser. To take advantage of WebView, we first need to let Fetch know what web address corresponds to the current Fetch location, and the easiest way to do that is to click the WebView button. Since we haven't set up WebView for this website before, we're asked to do so. As a convenience, the Get from Safari pop-up menu on the right lists all the windows currently open in Safari, so we'll choose our address from the list. Then, we click OK to view the website in our web browser. Now that we've set up WebView for this site, we can use the WebView button for any page or file. For example, we can select photos.html and click WebView to view it as it is seen via a web browser. Viewing this page, we can see that the background color is a poor choice for this content, so we switch back to Fetch to change it. Clicking the Edit button brings up our default text editor, Text Wrangler, where we can quickly correct the mistake. We change the background color and choose Save from the File menu. That saves the corrected file and tells Fetch to upload it to the server. Now, back in Fetch, we can click WebView again to confirm that the page is correct. WebView makes it simple to jump back and forth between Fetch, where you can upload and maintain your web pages, and your favorite web browser, where you can view the pages the way visitors to your website will see them. WebView, however, is not just for viewing web pages. WebView also makes it easier to use your web server to send someone a file that is too large for email. For example, let's say we need to send this large spreadsheet file to our colleague Arthur. To start, we'll drag it into Fetch, uploading it to our web server. Now Arthur can download the file, but first, we need to tell him its web address. Because we set up WebView, Fetch can give us that address. We select the file and choose Copy Web Address from the Edit menu. Now we run our email program and compose a message to Arthur. We choose Paste from the Edit menu to enter the web address for the file we uploaded and send the message. When Arthur opens the message, he will be able to download the spreadsheet by simply clicking the web address. This brief demonstration only shows some of what you can do with WebView. For more information, see the WebView topic in Fetch Help. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using WebView.